You taking 55 or 40? Got troopers on 40.
Jack, you should be passing in okay exit now.
Should be passing over the hill.
23, are you close? You got it.
Yeah, 10-4. I'm trying to figure out which vehicle it is. Got brake light out.
323 coming up right behind you. Behind the 18 wood.
What's your tag?
Bravo, Sierra, Juliet, 2648.
Alright, I'm up Mountain City.
If you slow down, we're right here behind you.
See, that's where
23 person coming down here.
State units primary, state units primary, state. State units secondary, state units primary, secondary. That's the 282.
Traffic.
Speed 100, coming up to the 283.
T.V.I. T.V.I.
Do not rush. He's running. Got a runner.
Running on foot.
City, man. Vehicle is smoking. I've shut it off.
10-4.
Into the woods, Blackmail east into the woods, K9's en route.
Blackmail east into the woods.
D44 City, black male, black jacket, ran down here in the field, south of I-40.
10-4, black male, black jacket.
Keep an eye on the interstate up there. Make sure you don't come back up to it and try to get across the bridge that way.
Yeah, 10-4, we're up here on the interstate. D4, we're trying to get some drones over there also.
Well, go ahead and start at 10-11.
10-4.